What tools do you actually need for RV or van life? These are the ones that solve real problems. Welcome back to Compass for Nomads. Today we're breaking down the must-have tools for RV or van life, and we found the cheapest reliable options for each one. Number 1. Adjustable wrench. Great for water fittings, battery terminals, and propane connections. The WorkPro wrench is strong and has options under $10 for a single, or this great 2-pack that covers most needs. Number 2. Multi-bit screwdriver. This is a must-have compact options. 13-1 replaces a whole lot of screwdrivers. It's compact, reliable, and won't strip out. Number 3. Tire pressure gauge. Tire issues are the number 1 cause of RV breakdowns. The Astro AI digital gauge is accurate and under $10. Number 4. Cordless drill. The cordless drill is a must-have for repairs and DIY projects. This one is lightweight, reliable, and comes with bits and more. Number 5. Rubber mallet. Leveling blocks, tent spikes, and so much more. This is another must-have. Number 6. Utility knife. The Amazon Basics folding knife is safe, compact, and perfect for cutting hoses, tape, and endless other things. I also linked a great option in another style if you prefer that style. Number 7. Pliers. Needle nose, slip joint, and cutters. This has you covered for a ton of quick fixes. Number 8. Allen key set. RV furniture and accessories love hex screws. This folding set gives you metric and SAE in one for a great price. Number 9. Socket set. The EcoFline 46-piece kit covers battery terminals, leveling jacks, and so much more. Compact and organized, this is another must-have and for under $15. These are the tools that actually solve problems on the road. All links are in the description and QR codes throughout. Grab what you need and build your must-have toolkit with some great deals. Thanks for watching Compass for Nomads. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming up next. See you on the next adventure.